I have a miscrossed cable right here. I can see that because cables should go over two, under two, over two, and this should go under two, but it's only gone under one. So this purple cable should go under this brown one and then over these two pink ones. I'm going to show you how to fix that. You can fix it by either fixing this brown cable and bringing it over the purple, or we can fix it by dropping down on this purple one and putting it under the brown. I'm going to drop down on this purple one because I want to show you how to put a cable underneath another cable. So I'm just going to move my work across to that purple cable. This is the purple cable that I need to fix. So I'm going to take it off the needles. And then I'm just going to drop those stitches down. I'm to the point where these cables are no longer crossed. So I'm going to put these two stitches on a stitch marker. You can see that these loops are in my work, but I don't have to worry about losing them. They will stay right there. I'm going to use the stitch marker like a needle to pull it under the brown cable, and that has crossed it under. And now I'm just going to put that back on a needle, and I'm going to knit those stitches back up. And I'm going to remember to knit through the back loop when I do this. And I continue knitting it back up, just as I've done. Now, when it crosses this cable, it's going to cross over top of the cable, so I don't need to put it on the stitch marker and thread it underneath. I can just continue working these stitches up. And that fixed the cable.